Hey there! Are you ready to create quizzes in minutes? Today, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Canva to design quizzes that are both fun and functional. First, we'll use ChatGPT to come up with engaging questions. You just have to ask. Ask ChatGPT on any topic and just watch the magic happen. You can customize the questions based on difficulty, topic, or format. It really is that easy. Next, let's bring those questions to life, and we're going to use Canva to do that. With its easy to use templates, you can really create visually stunning quizzes in no time at all. Choose from a variety of templates. Add your questions and personalize the design. Canva will make it simple to make your quiz look very professional. Finally, share the quiz with your friends, family, or audience. With ChatGPT and Canva, you'll have a polished quiz ready in minutes. So, are you ready to start creating? Let's dive in and make some quizzes.
Here we are in ChatGPT. Once you log into ChatGPT or create an account, below write the following, then hit enter, wait for it to populate. There we go. Now we go into Canva. Once in Canva with your account or you create an account, we're going to start creating our quiz. Start the quiz, just select presentation. Now I'm going to customize it on the left by selecting text. It'll say, in this case, quiz. We can customize it by changing the font or the color. Then I'm going to hit a subtitle or subheading, that is, and I'm going to customize that as well. I'm going to type SNO. That'll make more sense later, but it'll stand for serial number. And then I'm going to create our questions. So let's go ahead and put our questions in. We'll customize that as well. Now we need some more questions, obviously. So I'll just cut and paste 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring them over to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring them over to the left. And then we're going to create options for them, A, B, and C. So right now what we have as we're building, we have our page 1 and page 2. The only difference here is that page 2, once we duplicate it, has an answer. Now here's the meat and potatoes of the presentation, our quiz, and that is going over to our apps and entering our data. We can enter it through Excel or manually. In this case, I'm going to do manually. Go back to ChatGPT. We want to go to the top, serial number, questions, and options. We want to copy the top. Once we do that, Control, copy, go back to Canva, and then go to the top where it has name and email. We want to paste over that. Allow. So now we have our serial number, questions. Next, we want to get our questions. So we copy that, left click, copy, and then head back into Canva, paste right over our empty cells. Now our cells contain data with our serial numbers on top and questions at options A, B, and C, and our questions. So now we have to connect our data. So here we connect our data by going into our apps, and then we do a data to left click and then right click, and then we go connect data. Hit this case, we'll do question A, and then we connect the data. We already did the serial number, so now we'll do option B. We just connect the data here, and then rinse and repeat. For option C, we connect the data, and then we go to option D. Left click, find connect data, and now we have all options. We have our serial numbers up top, we have our question, And here, this is really exciting because we are building our quiz show. Now we duplicate the same to our second page. The only difference here is our answer. So let's click on answer, connect option, and type in the data for that, which is going to be the correct answer. So as you can see here, we have our quiz show. We only need to do, what we need to do here after we create our answer is to go to the left and hit continue. This will build our quiz show, our game show. Once we click the continue button on our left, it'll start creating 10 designs, and here's where the magic happens. You'll see 10 different pages on the bottom, and we just have to customize it to our liking. Here I added different colors, different presentations for each of our questions and answers, and there you have it, our quiz time quiz show. Now the final piece, well, I shouldn't say the final piece, but the second to last piece is to create our PBTX, which is a Microsoft PowerPoint documentation, which will be imported into OBS, which is going to be very exciting. Once we hit download and we open up our presentation, you'll see it'll open up as a PowerPoint presentation because Canva has that application built in. Now I'm going to view the presentation to make sure that I'm happy with it. So you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 through 10. We have our questions. We have then our answers. Let's open up OBS, go to display, capture. We're going to capture the PowerPoint presentation. Then we click OK once we've done that. And we can customize it, our screen, our window, customizing it by making the horizontal or vertical screen look crisp. There's nothing else on the screen besides our PowerPoint presentation, which is through OBS, which is the beautiful thing about this quiz show. You don't see the PowerPoint presentation, we actually see it through OBS. We can start streaming it. We could create scene transitions, we could create recordings or studio mode, and you can customize it to anywhere you like. Hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.